proceed, we need to just correct the error. So the error is coming from here. The reason why we weren't getting the ID is because of the state variable that we passed here. Okay, so for selected category, this one is correct, but for selected value is wrong. So here, it's supposed to be set selected value. Okay, so here, if we click, now we're getting the ID. So this ID is the one that we're going to use to get the food related to this particular ID. Okay, so we're going to be using the district from our location and our category to get all the food from this particular category and in the vicinity in that particular area that the user is in. So that's it for this part. Let's visit our item. Our item, everything is okay. What we can do here, we can just get rid of this style since we're not using it. So we're done with the item. The lists, we're almost done. So what we would do next is to just use these values, because these values are going to be used for a shimmer. So we're going to use them when we're getting our data from our REST API, but the function and everything is working fine. So next we're going to be working on our nearby restaurant.